Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I had to get a little lipstick off my teeth. Today I am excited because I'm back with another beauty hair video. As I told you guys before, I've been doing a lot of healthcare videos, so for all my beauty dolls, I'm back. Are you happy? Yes, I'm happy because I'm collaborating with ULAHAIR. I'm going to be sharing this beautiful wig with you. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to show you how I installed her from start to finish. If you want to see that, then you must keep watching. This is the packaging that it came in. Let's go ahead and open up and see this fabulous wig. Ooh. Came with a wig cap. What else do we have in here? We have a nice rat-ta-tat-tat tail comb, which I need and love. Can never have enough of those. Ooh, they sent me some fabulous lashes and they're full. And I also have instructions on how to take care of the hair. So when you buy from them, you'll have a whole list of instructions if you are new to wigs, new to human wigs, what to use, how to style them, how to keep it looking fresh, as far as using heat, if you want to dye the hair, and how do you measure the hair, the do's and don'ts, and all that good stuff. It's a great pamphlet, so you make sure when you buy your wig, you look into this to keep your wig that you pay money for, good money for, long lasting. This is the hair, this beautiful curly mamacita hair. I'm in love with it. I haven't done curly hair in a while. When was the last time you guys saw me? Well, you know what? I lie so much, and you guys are, Chrissy, you're lying. I know, but it's been a minute since I've had a human hair curly wig, so I'm excited. There's 2 clips in the front right here, 2 large clips like right there. So I know I can probably wear this as a glueless wig because it's so close to the hairline. A middle strap, so I know this is gonna be glueless because when you have a middle strap, it is snug, honey. And it has the average wig straps that it comes with. It is a natural color because in the light that I have right here in front of me, you can see that it's really brown. So it is virgin hair. It's never been dyed or anything. I probably later on, when I wear her more, I'll probably dye her a jet black because I like my wigs to be really dark when they're black. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, the lace is like a white. You guys know that I use tinting spray, even tinted lace spray. And this color is a cool deep brown, but I am a medium brown. They didn't have any more of that left, so I'm going to be using this tint spray to make sure that it's nice and blended with my skin.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off.
you guys, I am finished. This wig was so easy to install. Like literally, if you're someone that has a busy schedule, want something quick and easy, this is the wig to get. This is how she looks from the back. If you see some back acne, it's that time of the month that I'm breaking out and I break out on my back, so just ignore it. But this is how she looks from the back. So I'm wearing ULAHAIR's 13A 250 degrees. I'm rocking ULAHAIR's 13A 250% density 5x5 HD Lace Wig Deep Wave, and she is a 22-inch. If you are interested in purchasing this wig or any wig from ULAHAIR, make sure you guys use my code JAYE and you can get a discount when you buy your wig. But that is all for this video. I recommend ULAHAIR. I love this wig. I'm obsessed with it. Like, this is gonna be my summer wig. Definitely wearing this in the summertime with a cute summer dress. Honey, I'm gonna be looking so cute. Or definitely probably going on vacation, but I have a lot of life updates coming up. It's a new year and I'm just so happy about that. So stay tuned for all my new updates. Get you some ULAHAIR, and I will see you beautiful, beautiful babies in my next video. But until then, make sure you keep